Hello guys, welcome to Vision channel and the unboxing of Honor Note 10 with my son here.
This box is huge.
Yeah, as you already hear that, this box is really huge. It's not an ordinary phone I've been unboxing lately.
And it says 10.
Yeah, it says 10 because it's a Note 10. So let's unbox it. Ooh, take a look at this beauty.
It's really beautiful.
Phone comes with the manual here. Also, we have charging device inside and the cables. Also a plastic case. Quick start guide here, but nobody reads it actually. So phone has these specifications. It has a 6.95 inch display, AMOLED display, 60 megapixels of camera, 8 gigs of RAM, and just listen to this, 5000 milliamps of battery. One more time, I want to underline this. It has an AMOLED display and 5000 milliamps of battery. Huge battery life. So also it comes with a MUI 8.2 version, Android 8.1 Oreo. It's powered with a high silicon Kirin 970 processor and internal storage 128 gigs or 64 gigs, 6 gigs operating memory accordingly. It also features LED flash, HDR panorama, and it can record full HD videos. Has a 30 megapixel camera and also all other features like Dolby Atmos and so on.
It has FM radio, Type-C, Bluetooth, OTG technology.
And it costs only $450, the top specs. And also if you want a cheaper one, you can get it for about $315. Really great price for this kind of specifications.
Happy that there is no iPhone design here.
I'm really happy that there is no stupid iPhone 10 design here. You have a bigger display, small edges, and I have to confess the colors and the brightness and the design is really fantastic on this one.
This phone has a huge potential.
Yes, I totally agree with this. This phone has a huge potential. If you have some comments, if you have some different thoughts, please let me know down in the comments section. One more thing I want to mention here. There is no international ROM on this phone now, but Huawei promised to release the international global ROM, so as soon as it's released you can flash it without any kind of problems. So that's all guys for today. I wanted to show you this short video about really high quality phone for a small amount of money. I'll see you here on Vision channel. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye.